Hello students, so I'll be talking about Gustafsson's HILI model. So here, one of the differentiating factor of HILI model from other hierarchical model is that Gustafsson has combined hierarchical and non-hierarchical model in developing this particular model. If you see here, he has compiled the Estonian model of non-hierarchical approach to intelligence, and he has also compiled Spearman and Cattle-Horn's theory of intelligence. So here if you see in the next slide, you can see Spearman's aspect of fluid and crystallized intelligence, Cattle-Horn general intelligence, and the Estonians non-hierarchical theory of approach, which is primary skills. So we had discussed in your assignment, there has been a discussion which was given where you write about the intelligence theory. So the Estonian's primary skills, so he came up with 7 primary mental abilities, which is not hierarchical at all, it is non-hierarchical. So he listed out 7 primary mental abilities, so the rational ability, verbal fluency, etc. So that along with hierarchical aspects of having a general intelligence, which is further divided into general, crystallized, general, fluid, and then primary skills. So a compilation of all the 4 encapsulates Gustafsson's HILI model. So crystallized intelligence represents the intelligence accumulated or obtained over a period of time, and it increases with age. So it talks mostly about experiences that requires much more adventures or much more ability or the capacity for an individual to go through an entire scenario. For example, let's take the clear example of let's differentiate between fluid and crystallized. I think you'll be able to understand it better that way. So fluid intelligence actually decreases with age, and crystallized intelligence increases with age. So fluid intelligence talks about all the academic, analytical, reasoning skills that you will learn in your formal education. So it occurs with let's say the mathematical skills that one learns, or the vocabulary or grammatical or the syntax rules learned by an individual. So all that are fluid intelligence, and most likely to reduce with age. Okay, their ability to remember, memorize, to properly use the grammatical rules it decreases with age due to many biological reasons. But with crystallized intelligence, what we are trying to encapsulate here is the experience that they have gained over a period of time. So a 40-year-old individual is much more experienced in terms of different life factors, let's say work, family, culture, religion. Even though the experiences differ from one individual to another, it is still that crystallized intelligence keep increasing over a period of time, and it has to talk and it has to deal with the individualized experiences a person goes through. For example, the experience of loss, experience of grief, experience of sadness, experience of joy, happiness, the learning of keeping boundaries, the learning of interpersonal relationships, learning of giving. All these experiences are felt and are emotional, and such experiences are most likely to grow with age. Okay, and then the general intelligence. Yeah, so these are the factors in Gustafsson's HILI model, and he has reconciled the Estonians non-hierarchical and Spearman and Cattle-Horn's hierarchical model of intelligence. Thank you.